we are going to learn about a compass. And there is a bee flying around me. So anyway, so I know our beavers and cubs received a package in the mail for our camp this weekend, and it included a compass. So today I'm going to show you how to use the compass. So just give me a few minutes and I'll turn this sucker around. Buddy, so this is a compass, and we have, get my pointer, we have the orienting arrow right here. We have the magnetic needle. We have the base plate, which is this whole thing. We have a dial, rotating dial that has degrees on it. So each one of these numbers is a degree around the earth. We have north, west, the S is south, and then we have the E somewhere over here, which is east. And these are the directions, the 4 cardinal directions. But you can also add to that and go, say, northwest is over here. We got northeast, southeast, southwest. You got north, northeast. So we can get into a lot of different things. So, but parts of the other parts of the compass are, this is a scale and a ruler. You have the index line, which tells you where you're going. So you always want to point that in the direction that you're going. And whatever degree, so right now it's here, but to get the true degree, what you would do is make sure that this red part of this needle is in this big arrow. So it just so happens that it's a red needle and the red arrow. So we call it mouth in the house. So what you're going to do is, so say we want to go towards a garbage can. We will point it towards the direction that we're going, and then we just keep turning the dial until where is it going? Until this mouse is in the house. So I think my phone is causing some issues. So right here. So that's the direction. So now we go see where this lines up, and it actually lines up 20 degrees right on this line. So we would be going 20 degrees if we were going towards the garbage can. And that's how you find a particular degree. So let's try another one. So I want to go towards this car. So I'm going to point the direction, the arrow in the direction. Normally you would have it in your hand, flat, pointing in the direction that you want to go. But I can't because it's not working with the phone. It's causing it to go because it's probably magnet and batteries and stuff. So now what I'm going to do is I want to know which direction I'm going to once again put the mouse in its house. And whoops. There we go. So we just turn that dial, and it says it is going 5 degrees. So we'll be going 5 degrees that way. And north is actually pointed this way. So wherever that so if you're holding a compass, the needle always points north. So you can actually, if you're looking for north, just hold it, turn your body until that mouth, oh, it actually worked. Mouse is in the house. Whoops. And can't see it, it's hard. But you would just turn your body, if you had this in your hand, until the mouse is in the house and the bone is acting off. So it's actually around here. And just kind of keep going like this. Now, if we were to see all those degrees, if we knew a degree that we were going to, so I'm just going to pick one. So let's say we're going, we'll go west. So we'll put it on west. So what you want to do is, if you know the direction or the degree you're going to, you are going to put it on that degree. So you cannot, so we can do west, we can say it's 44 degrees, 42 degrees. We just want to make sure that the number is on this index line, which is right where this arrow is, and it just goes like this. So if we want to go to a degree, what we do is we pick up our compass. Well, first we put it to the degree, and then what you want to do is you want to move that mouse in that house. And so you just keep walking around until it goes. So what I have to do, because it won't let me hold it, I'll just keep doing this. So you're just going to keep turning it until that mouse is in the house. And I've just gone pretty much from that way to that way. And so I'm now facing the garden, whereas before I was facing the car. So that is how you find a degree. When you know a degree or an area that you're going, you just always put it on the index first. So we'll say, 30 degrees, and then just move it until this mouse is in this house, and then you walk in the direction of that arrow. So 30 degrees now is pointing this way, so we turned it just a slight bit this way. So it was here, and we turned it here. So that is how when we know a degree, we find a degree. And once again, when we're trying to find a degree, so now we'll go back out to the road, we'll point it that way, and all you do is put this mouse back in this house, because we don't know the degree, so we're just going to keep turning this dial until it's in its house, and then we'll check the degree on it. Oof, hard with one hand. Whoops. Oh no. There we go. And the degree is about 50, 51, and that's the direction going towards the road. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little lesson on a compass and the different parts, and I hope you guys have fun making your own maybe little maps outside. Maybe do a little scavenger hunt and maybe create your own, and hopefully just have some fun. And maybe if you want to create your own, maybe post it with us, or let us know, and we can post it and we can share it with others, and maybe they can do the scavenger hunt that you created as well. So